करना पड़ेगा। आंधियों से ही ना, तुझे खुद से भी लड़ना पड़ेगा। सामने जब तक पड़ा कर्तव्य पर, तब तक मनुज ओ मनुज। मौत भी आए अगर तुम मौत से भिड़ना पड़ेगा। है अधिक अच्छा यही फितरत पर चल मुस्कुराता, मुस्कुराती जाए से जिंदगी असफल मुसाफिर। फर्ज पर चलना तुझे तो मुस्कुरा कर चल मुसाफिर, मुस्कुरा कर चल मुसाफिर। याद रख जो आंधियों के सामने भी मुस्कुराते, तो समय के पंथ पर चिन्ह छोड़ जाते। चिन्ह वह जिन्हें खो न सकते प्रलय तूफान सर्दी, चिन्ह वह जिन्हें खो न सकते। मुस्कुरा कर चल पंथ पर चलना तुझे तो मुस्कुरा कर चल मुसाफिर। वक्त के लिए वर्ग भी हो जाएगा आसान।
दिल के दरवाजे खुल जाएंगे, सबके दिल के दरवाजे। आंखें आंखों को पहचान सकेंगी। अपनी धरती पे सबके सब अपने ही तो हैं। अपनी धरती पे सबके सब अपने ही तो हैं। नई जिंदगी सही बात को जान सके। कल की महकी हवा नहीं जहरीली, कल की महकी हवा।
So five within the same sky, yet uniqueness illuminates, approaching the heart of God. Thou created this universe with heart, Mother Earth. Thou illumines Mother Earth with a heart and soul. Thou in the ocean of purity, thou condenses Mother Earth with this ocean of purity. Thou entangles the entire mankind with the red fire of empathy. Thou sprinkles uniqueness across the heart of oneself.
I'm Trisha Gupta from class 8. Today I'm going to recite a poem titled Ties of Universal Brotherhood. In a world of differences, this poem instills a sense of hope, urging us to unite in a universal. A golden thread runs through each heart, guiding us close, though we are worlds apart. From distant lands to nearby shores, we share the same hopes.
बिना मिट्टी बिना गंदगी, फिर भी पौधों में वही ताजगी। पानी में घुलते पोषक तत्व, जड़ों तक पहुंचते बनकर मित्र।
कम जगह में हो अधिक फसल,
बुझा जगे, अग्निपथ के पंथी जागो। अग्निपथ के पंथी जागो, शीश हथेली पर धरकर, और जागो रक्त के भक्त लाडले, जागो सिर के सौदागर, खप्पर वाली काली जागे। खप्पर वाली काली जागे, जागे दुर्गा परमंडा, और रक्त बीज का रक्त चाटने वाली जागे चामुंडा।
अभी समय है, अभी नहीं कुछ बिगड़ा है। देखो अभी सुयोग्य तुम्हारे पास खड़ा है। करना है जो काम उसी में चित लगा दो। आत्मा में विश्वास करो, संदेह भगा दो। पूर्ण तुम्हारा मनोभिष्ट क्या कभी ना होगा। होगा तो बस अभी, नहीं तो कभी ना होगा। देख रहे हो श्रेष्ठ समय के
Don't need a path, just an appetite and heart for cultural adventures. Chef Aditya, I have worked deserts in Africa, tipped up past pandas in China, danced in Spain, and still haven't found smooth food. Crunchy dough sandwich, spicy chutney, fly to Italy, cheese spaghetti that sings Mamma Mia, tried in China. Crispy momos with tangy dip. And zoom to America.
मानव्यादं ये शक्तिपुञ्ज बालक भूयो निज महिमानां त्वं विस्तार्य ये शक्तिनिधे हे बाल भरत त्वं पुनः स्वतेजः संधार्य त्वं पुनः स्वतेजः संधार्य त्वं पुनः स्वतेजः
Italian pizza cow in a pizza Italy town. तंदूरी taco खाओ और फ्री में मेक्सिको घूम के आओ। सभी लोग जो रोज तो तुम्हें घर दाल चावल खा के बोर हो गए हैं, पर हाँ तो आपका स्वागत है यूनिटी बाइट्स में, जहाँ इटली इंडिया को गले लगाता है और मेक्सिको जापान के साथ भंगड़ा मारता है। हम सिर्फ रेस्टोरेंट ही नहीं, हम हैं फूड पासपोर्ट, एक निवाला, और आप सीधे जाके पहुंचते हो टोक्यो, दिल्ली और रोम। खाने पिज्जा,
So this is
This is also another way.
Good afternoon, esteemed dignitaries, participants, as well as respective coordinating teachers of various schools and my dear colleagues. On behalf of the management staff and students of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Mehta Vidyalaya, I take this opportunity to welcome you all to the prize distribution ceremony of the Munshi Memorial Inter-School Competition and the Srimati Leelavati Munshi Memorial Painting Competition 2025. Our school choir group will now present the Sarvadharma prayer.
Baba
Today we are privileged to have amongst us Shri K. Shivaprasad, Director, Bharati Vidya Bhavan, Delhi Kendra, who is a constant source of support, motivation and encouragement for us. We heartily welcome you, sir. Our Principal, Dr. Mrs. Anju Tandal, will felicitate our Director, sir. We are also pleased to welcome Dr. C.K. Arya, Manager, Mehta Vidyalaya. I request Mrs. Yasmin Sharma. Mehta Vidyalaya has been organizing this coveted competition every year to honor the memory of our founder father, Kulpati Dr. K.M. Munshi, and this year we are celebrating the 52nd edition. I now invite our school principal, Dr. Mrs. Anju Tandon, to deliver the formal welcome address.
Good afternoon and namaskar to everyone. It's with immense pleasure and deep sense of gratitude and honor that I extend a heartfelt greetings, my heartfelt greetings and a welcome to each one of you present here on this ceremonial occasion of prize distribution ceremony, the 52nd Munshi Memorial Recitation Competition and Leelavati Munshi Memorial Painting Competition 2025. We are truly privileged to have amongst us our esteemed chief guest, Shri K. Shivaprasad, IAS, a visionary administrator, a man of profound spiritual depth. Shri Prasad has served the nation with dedication across various key positions in governance and has been tirelessly advocating value-based leadership in public service. What sets him apart is his Gita Acharan, the living practice of Bhagavad Gita, the timeless teaching. His presence here is a guiding light and a great inspiration to all of us. Hearty welcome to you, sir. I would like to extend warm greetings and a welcome to all the distinguished dignitaries present on the dais and off the dais. We have with us our manager, sir, Dr. C.K. Arya. We have respected judges with us sitting in the front row, dedicated escort teachers sitting with their teams, young talented participants and enthusiasm and with creative spirit have truly made this event a special and vibrant moment for all of us here. This competition is named after Kulpati K.M. Munshi ji, a towering figure in Indian literature, law, education and cultural revivalism. A patriot, freedom fighter, prolific writer and a visionary institution builder, Munshi ji's enduring legacy is a source of national pride. His contribution to Gujarati, Hindi and English literature are monumental and his work continues to inspire generations. His literary genius lies not only in his mastery over language but also his ability to communicate deep truths with simplicity, wisdom and powerful moral compass. Through this vast literary corpus, Munshi ji championed values of integrity, cultural pride and spiritual resurgence. His profound love for India and its heritage led him to founding Bharati Vidya Bhavan, a cultural institution that continues to carry forward his ideals. Munshi ji believed in the strength of the nation lies not only merely in economic progress but also in the cultural and spiritual consciousness of its people. He envisioned bhavans as a bridge between India's ancient wisdom and modern aspirations, a platform that nurtured thoughts, character and creativity. This annual competition is one of the many humble yet very powerful events undertaken by Bharati Vidya Bhavan Mehta Vidyalaya to fulfill the noble vision of its founder father. It aligns Bhavan's core objectives of promoting Indian values, culture, literature and engagement with poetry, painting and rich literary heritage of the country. The competition seeks to foster Sanskriti, Sanskar and Sahitya, that is culture, character and literature in the minds of young people. It's a tribute to our great literary and artistic tradition and an attempt to awaken the young learners a sense of belonging to this timeless cultural legacy. Dear Scott teachers, I wish to share one more very important thing with you all, that Bhavans also houses Bhavans Pustak Bharti, a dedicated counter for showcasing timeless work of celebrated Indian and foreign authors. These books are more than printed words, they're cultural treasures with us. They preserve the spirit of Indian intellectual and literary heritage, keeping alive the voices of great thinkers, poets and philosophers. I urge you to encourage your students to explore these works and take back a catalogue from us and recommend the books for your school libraries so that more young readers may drink from the wellspring of knowledge. This year, the competition witnessed the participation of 22 schools of Delhi and NCR. Schools come here with great hope, and every year, whenever on the common platforms I meet my principal colleagues, they often ask me, when are you organizing the Munshi Memorial competition and when are you organizing the IT symposium, the Dimang Mehta IT symposium. So this participation is also, I see many common schools participating and they are excited to participate. So we are also enthusiastic about organizing this event as much as you are excited in taking part in this event. So what I want to say here finally is winning and losing is part of the game. It's not only, this competition is not only about winning, it's about growing, it's about exploring, it's about expressing. It is about nurturing the deep connection with our roots, also finding new ways of expression, relevant and powerful in present. So I once again thank our judges who have spared their valuable time to be with us. I thank the organizing committee, like an event of this magnitude where so many schools participate, it takes a long time in planning and preparation, and I thank the entire Mehta Vidyalaya organizing committee for enthusiastically planning and preparing. I have myself been part, this is my 14th event that I see here, and every year the same enthusiasm is seen. Every time we try to add new competitions, new things in the event, and I must thank all the teachers and the mentors who keep us motivated to do this. I thank the parent support also for encouraging their children in this beautiful journey together of growth and learning. And most importantly, our students who gave all of us a reason to smile, to reflect and rejoice. Thank you so much for being here. Let us reaffirm. Let us reaffirm our faith in Bharati Vidya Bhavan's mission to promote Indian cultural renaissance through knowledge, through creativity and through timeless value. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am, for the warm welcome. I next invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri K. Shivaprasad, Director, Delhi Kendra, to address the gathering.
Very good morning to my young friends and faculty from Bharati Vidya Bhavan and various teachers, students who came from almost I believe 22 schools in Delhi to participate in this 52nd Munshi Memorial Recitation Competition held in Bharati Vidya Bhavan today. Two things I want to share. So I was taking the round of the competitions that were happening, and each one of them were outstanding. I don't think, during my childhood or even today if I try, I'll be able to reach that level. So that's why each one of them, the level of preparation your teachers give to you and the talent you all possess, I think there's no a match to that. And to that extent, I want to wish you all the best and keep pursuing your passion with which you are participating in the competition today. Secondly, I know I am standing between the exciting news of announcing the prizes, because all of you have worked so hard for so many days, and naturally one would like to go home with the prize. It's natural. But somebody who going to get the prize in advance, I wish them all the best. Somebody who could not make it, it's not that you lack talent or anything, but it's just a question of time. Maybe next year or some other competition, the prizes are sure to come. And as ma'am has mentioned, this is organized in the memory of K. Munshi, Kulpati K. Munshi, because of whom this school, this institution of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan is standing. And we all stand for the Indian culture, as ma'am has said it. So as a kid, I really didn't understand much about culture. But today, when I look at it from a child point of view, it is just about getting connected to your roots, to your family, to your values of family. So be in touch with them. They will take you to the next level in your career, in your life. And once again, I would like to wish you all the best for the winners and the better next time for the one who couldn't make it today. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I also welcome our registrar, Shri M.L. Malhotra sir. Sir, I request you to please come in the front row. Thank you, Director sir, for your pearls of wisdom. And before I come to the much awaited event of this day, I would like to say that the purpose of the ceremony is not only to recognize individual accomplishments, but also to inspire and motivate all the students present here. The spirit of participation of each one of you has been highly laudable. Without much delay, I now invite Mrs. Neeta Srivastav, the Chief Coordinator of this edition of Munshi Memorial Competition, to announce the winners of the various categories. गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। मैं सभी का स्वागत करती हूँ, जितने भी लोग सभागार में यहाँ उपस्थित हैं, हमारे माननीय अतिथिगण, दूसरे स्कूलों से आए हुए अध्यापकगण, हमारे छात्रगण और अपने मैनेजमेंट डायरेक्टर सर, सभी को मैं स्वागत करती हूँ। बच्चों, पुरस्कार वितरण समारोह शुरू होने जा रहा है, लेकिन सिर्फ एक बात मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि जिस समय आप प्रतियोगिता में भाग ले लेते हैं तभी आप विनर घोषित हो जाते हैं, बिल्कुल आप विजेता बन जाते हैं। ये तो सिर्फ कुछ अंकों का खेल है, किसी के कुछ अंक कम, किसी के कुछ ज़्यादा। तो जो भाग लेता है उसमें कोई ना कोई पहले, दूसरे और तीसरे स्थान पर आएगा, लेकिन मेरी तरफ से आप सभी विजेता हैं, तो एक बार जोर से तालियां अपने लिए। तो शुरुआत करते हैं प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। इस श्रेणी में सबसे पहले है मैं डायरेक्टर सर, आर.एस. सर और मैम से रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि आगे हैं। रजिस्ट्रार सर आप भी आ जाइए। तो सबसे पहले हम शुरू करने जा रहे हैं इंग्लिश रेजिस्ट्रेशन सीनियर ईशानी शर्मा, नेवी चिल्ड्रन स्कूल। ईशानी शर्मा फर्स्ट प्राइज गोज टू ईशानी शर्मा, नेवी चिल्ड्रन स्कूल। सेकंड स्वास्तिका मुखर्जी, लक्ष्मण पब्लिक स्कूल। third prize in senior category, Ridhima Ved, Cambridge School, Srivastpuri. English Association Junior, Avya Verma, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Mehta Vidyalaya. Avya Verma, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Mehta Vidyalaya. English Recitation Junior. Participants may collect their certificate from the left side of the stage. Participants, you can collect your certificate from the left side of the stage. Winners, please, you can collect your certificate from left side. English Junior, second prize goes to Simarpreet Kaur, Lovely Public Senior Secondary School. Simarpreet. Give a good hand for Simarpreet. Simarpreet Kaur, Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, second prize. In junior category, Budhika Sharma, Lakshman Public School, third prize. In English Recitation junior category, third prize goes to Budhika Sharma, Lakshman Public School. English Recitation sub junior, Aditya Arora, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Mehta Vidyalaya. Aditya Arora, sub junior category. And Vihana Kartikeya. Aditya Arora and Vihana. Give a good hand for these children. Second prize goes to Yuvan Satya and Karan Jain, Springdale School, Dholakua. Springdale, Dholakua, Yuvan Satya and Karan Jain, second prize. In junior recitation, sub-junior category. Third prize goes to Athar Jha and Tiara Jain, Lovely Public School, Pedarshni, Bihar. Athar Jha and Tiara Jain, Lovely Public School, Priyadarshini, Bihar. Yes. Now Hindi senior recitation senior category. Prisha Arora, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Mehta Vidyalaya, first prize. First prize goes to Prisha Arora, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Mehta Vidyalaya, Tejmal. Prisha, please come on the stage. Second prize goes to where Prisha? Prisha unpassed. Hindi recitation senior category, Prisha Arora, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, first prize. Second prize goes to Model School, Barakhamba Road, Manan Kumar. Manan Kumar, Model School, Barakhamba Road. Congratulations to all the students. Third prize goes to Tarini Kher, Springdale School. Tarini Kher, Springdale School. Hindi recitation senior, first prize Prisha, second Manan, third Tarini Kher. Now Hindi junior. Hindi junior, Inaya Mahajan, Modern School, Barakhamba Road. Inaya Mahajan. First prize goes to Inaya Mahajan, Modern School, Barakhamba Road. Congratulations, Inaya. Second prize goes to Ayushman Kher, Springdale School. Ayushman, Springdale School. तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए, जोर से बजाते रहिए. Ayushman Kher, Springdale School, second prize. Third prize goes to Digby Jain, Bharat Public School. Bharati Public School. Digby Jain, Bharati Public School. Hindi recitation sub junior now. Hindi recitation sub junior category, ADMAT. First prize goes to Harshali Chauhan and Navya Chaurasia, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Mehta Vidyalaya. Harshali Chaurasia and Navya Chaurasia. Chauhan and Navya Chaurasia, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Mehta Vidyalaya. Second prize goes to Kartiki Koili and Vihan. Kartiki Vihan, Bluebell School, International Kailash Colony. Bluebell School, Kartik and Kanak. Bluebell School, Kailash Colony. In sub-junior category Hindi, ADMAT, second prize. Third prize goes to Yakshita and Riyanshi Gupta, Leelavati Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School. Third prize in ADMAT category, Yakshit and Riyanshi Gupta, Leelavati Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School. Now Sanskrit Shloka. संस्कृत श्लोक रेसिटेशन सीनियर कैटेगरी अंजनेय मिश्रा भारतीय विद्याभवन मेहता विद्यालय. अंजनेय मिश्रा. संस्कृत श्लोक गायन सीनियर कैटेगरी फर्स्ट प्राइज अंजनेय मिश्रा भारतीय विद्याभवन मेहता विद्यालय. सेकंड प्राइज गोज टू एकांश राय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल स्वास्थ्य विहार. एकांश राय भारती पब्लिक स्कूल स्वास्थ्य विहार, सेकंड प्राइज. संस्कृत श्लोक सीनियर रेसिटेशन. थर्ड प्राइज गोज टू रब्बानी कौर ग्रोवर स्प्रिंगर स्कूल धौलाकुआं. थर्ड प्राइज रब्बानी कौर ग्रोवर स्प्रिंगर धौलाकुआं. संस्कृत श्लोक गायन जूनियर कैटेगरी शौर्य भारतीय विद्याभवन मेहता विद्यालय. फर्स्ट प्राइज गोज टू शौर्य भारतीय विद्याभवन मेहता विद्यालय. संस्कृत श्लोक गायन जूनियर कैटेगरी शौर्य भारतीय विद्याभवन मेहता विद्यालय फर्स्ट प्राइज. सेकंड प्राइज अनय सिंह भारती पब्लिक स्कूल. अनय सिंह भारती पब्लिक स्कूल, सेकंड प्राइज इन श्लोक गायन जूनियर कैटेगरी. थर्ड प्राइज आर मुकुंदन कैम्ब्रिज स्कूल. आर मुकुंदन कैम्ब्रिज स्कूल श्रीनिवासपुरी. पेंटिंग स्पेशल कैटेगरी सीनियर पेंटिंग कंपटीशन सीनियर कैटेगरी सुहाना बलवंत राय मेहता विद्यालय. फर्स्ट प्राइज गोज टू सुहाना. नहीं मैम जनरल का पेंटिंग कंपटीशन इन सीनियर कैटेगरी सुहाना बलवंत राय मेहता विद्यालय. सेकंड प्राइज गोज टू त्रिशा बजाज स्प्रिंगर स्कूल धौलाकुआं. त्रिशा बजाज स्प्रिंगर धौलाकुआं. त्रिशा बजाज, ओके. थर्ड प्राइज गोज टू शिवांश भारतीय विद्याभवन मेहता विद्यालय. शिवांश थर्ड प्राइज. पेंटिंग सीनियर कैटेगरी सुहाना फर्स्ट प्राइज, त्रिशा सेकंड प्राइज, शिवांश थर्ड प्राइज एंड द कंसोलेशन प्राइज गोज टू डिम्पी कुमारी स्कूल नेवी चिल्ड्रन. नेवी चिल्ड्रन चाणक्यपुरी. Consolation prize goes to Dimpy Kumari, Navy Children's School, Chanakyapuri. Now, painting junior, Vipin Prajapat. First prize goes to Vipin Prajapat, Balwant Rai Mehta Vidyalaya. Balwant Rai Mehta Vidyalaya. Vipin Prajapat first prize, CW painting competition. Second prize goes to Nihit Meena, Bharatiya Vidyabhavan Mehta Vidyalaya. Nihit Meena, second prize. बेटा आप सभी लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि अभी आप जाएंगे नहीं, प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बस खत्म होने ही वाला है, वेट फॉर अनदर 5-10 मिनट्स। थर्ड प्राइज गोज टू ओजस सोलंकी, स्प्रिंगलेस स्कूल धौला कुआं। पेंटिंग जूनियर कैटेगरी, ओजस सोलंकी, स्प्रिंगलेस धौला कुआं। And consolation prize goes to Maitri Chawadiya, Neelavati Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School. Neelavati Vidya Mandir, Maitri Chawadiya, consolation prize in painting junior category. Painting general junior, painting general junior, first prize goes to Janvi बलवंत राय मेहता विद्यालय, जानवी, फर्स्ट प्राइज गोज टू जानवी फॉर पेंटिंग इन जूनियर कैटेगरी, जानवी। सेकंड प्राइज गोज टू वान्या जयराज कैम्ब्रिज स्कूल, स्कूल। सीनियर थर्ड प्राइज गोज टू स्मृति मान, भारतीय विद्या भवन मेहता विद्यालय, स्मृति मान। कंसोलेशन प्राइज गोज टू अभय लक्ष्मण पब्लिक स्कूल, अभय है यहाँ पे, ओके कम फास्ट। अभय लिखा हुआ आभा, इस आभा और आभा, आई एम सॉरी, आभा सुदाम लक्ष्मण पब्लिक स्कूल, थर्ड कंसोलेशन प्राइज। नाउ पेंटिंग जनरल सीनियर कैटेगरी, अनिका कुमारी केम्ब्रिज स्कूल श्रीनिवासपुरी, अनिका कुमारी केम्ब्रिज स्कूल श्रीनिवासपुरी। सेकंड प्राइज गोज टू तन्वी शर्मा लक्ष्मण पब्लिक स्कूल हॉस्टल, सेकंड प्राइज गोज टू तन्वी शर्मा। थर्ड प्राइज गोज टू दिव्यांशा भार्गवा भारती पब्लिक स्कूल, दिव्यांशा भार्गवा भारती पब्लिक स्कूल। दिव्यांशा, you are good for दिव्यांशा। And consolation prize goes to Shreyansh Chaudhary Bharti Vidya Bhavan, Shreyansh Chaudhary Bharti Vidya Bhavan, consolation prize in painting general senior category। मुंशी मेमोरियल इंटर स्कूल रेसिटेशन कंपटीशन, first position goes to Bharti Vidya Bhavan Mehta Vidyalaya, but host school will not keep the trophy, so we are giving to Springdale School Dhaula Kuan। Overall trophy in recitation competition goes to Springdale Dhaula Kuan। जोर से तालियां बजाइए बच्चे।
टीचर पे आ जाए, टीचर।
Please give a good hand for Springdale School। And Srimati Leela Munshi Memorial on the spot painting competition trophy goes to Balwant Rai Mehta Vidyalaya, Balwant Rai Vidya Bhavan Mehta Vidyalaya, first prize BVK Mehta Vidyalaya, but it's going to Balwant Rai Mehta Vidyalaya, Balwant Rai Mehta Vidyalaya।
टीचर आ जाए
Balwant Rai Mehta Vidyalaya, please come forward to collect your trophy. जोर से तालियां बजाइए। श्रीमती लीला मुंशी मेमोरियल ऑन द स्पॉट पेंटिंग कंपटीशन, ओवल ट्रॉफी गोज टू बलवंत राय मेहता विद्यालय।
आपने लॉस्ट
इधर आ जाओ, उधर साइड में थोड़ा सा।
इधर आ जाओ
ठीक।
Thank you. I extend our deepest gratitude to the chief guest who took out his precious time to be with us, and to Dr. C.K. Arya for always inspiring us. I would also like to thank the accompanying teachers from all participating schools. Your support in motivating and participating has truly shown through each performance.